Hello, this is ADT Security. I have a residential fire alarm. Called inside, a woman answered, and she said there's a fire in the garage.
It was probably around like 2-something in the morning, and I heard the smoke detector going off. We're all kind of panicking, trying to find out what's going on, where's the smoke coming from.
I come to this door, and there's nothing but pure black smoke coming out. When I noticed the fire, there was definitely a space in between the fire and the van. And from there, everyone started to panic.
I was absolutely panicking myself.
So I immediately started trying to put out the fire. I never experienced anything like that before.
So I'm just pushing any of the buttons on the ADT panel. And by the time we got back downstairs to the basement, ADT had called us.
Hello, this is ADT Security. We're getting a fire alarm. Do you need help? We need a fire. There's a fire? Yeah, in the garage.
But you know, a lot of times you hear smoke detectors go off and you don't really think something serious is taking place. And it didn't cross my mind to dial 911, but it crossed my mind to run upstairs and push the button and thinking that they're gonna come, somebody's gonna come. I appreciated the fact that there was someone that actually called me back.
To see everything you own just go up in smoke, you know, it was really devastating.
The night of the fire, the ADT representative that actually called us back, I don't even know who she was. But I guess what I would say to her first is just thank you.
Just before 2:30 this morning, firefighters in Florissant rushed to a house fire on Emerald Creek Drive. A mother and her 3 kids were able to get out okay. I'm told while there is substantial damage to the house, the home is not a total loss.
Good morning. I'm Joe Nuccio with ADT. I want to welcome you to this event, how we'll celebrate how lives were saved.
Hi, my name is Stacey. I'm an ADT dispatcher out of Rochester, New York, and I'm so happy to hear that Tabitha Taylor and her family were helped because of their alarm system they have with us. I am glad to hear that we were there to help you when you really needed it. I do appreciate getting the Lifesaver award. It does mean a lot to me, and again, we so much appreciate you being our customer.
The partnership that State Farm has with ADT helped prevent this situation from being worse than what it was. Because of the quick response, because of ADT, the Florissant Fire Department, this situation could have been much worse from a property standpoint. We're here to be what customers need at their worst moment. That's part of what we do. We keep the promise.
So you thank God for the insurance companies, and it's like never complain again how much you have to pay for your insurance policy. You know what I'm saying? And then even the simple fact of paying the extra money every month to have ADT or security system is definitely worth it. It could have saved your life.
We are there, we are empathetic to their situations. You save someone's home, someone's life. If they hadn't been able to leave the house as quickly as they had, it could have been worse. It could have been far worse.
I do have a lot to be thankful for. I'm ready to come home. I miss home.